How to change the profile picture on your Mac user. It is very simple. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is go to settings. To go to settings, you can go to the Apple logo on the top left corner, click on it and then go to system settings. You can use the spotlight search, which is going to be command plus space, and you can also go to the dock and click on system settings. Now that you're here, on the left side you can see we have a lot of options. Scroll down till you see users and groups. Click on users and groups and you can see all the users that are available on your MacBook. But how to change the profile picture? You can change your own profile picture, not everyone else's, unless you have the admin access. As you can see, this profile is a standard profile. So in this case, I am going to click on the I button. Once you click on it, you can see we have this photo right over here. Click on edit and you can see we have a lot of memojis, so to speak, and you can select any one of them. For example, I can select this ghost or this dinosaur. You can make it bigger or smaller and then replace it or put it wherever you want and then click on save, or you can just pose this dinosaur however you like, which is great as well. And you can change the style as well, which is basically the background. Once you've done that, you can save it if you want the memoji. You can also select the emoji and go through the same process. You can have the monogram, which is going to be a first name or the first letter of the username. You can also put in a photo. So in this case, in photos, you can see I have used this picture. This is from my iCloud. This is not from the laptop itself or the storage itself. I can also go to suggestions and select any one of these. So let's say I want an emoji or something like that. In emoji, I want to click on plus and then type in laptop because this is my MacTalk and there is a little Mac. I'm going to go to styles and change the color. Yeah, that seems fine. And after that, I will click on save. I'm going to click on OK again. And here you can see the icon has been changed onto my user icon. If I click on the eye, you can see it here as well. And that is how you change the profile picture or the user picture on your MacBook. Hopefully this video has been helpful. If it has been, do make sure to like, share and subscribe.